What is up, everybody? I am Crypto at the Dipto, and that is exactly where I like to buy. Welcome to my channel. This is the home of the Dipto fam or the Dipto gang, whatever you prefer. Today, I'm going to be talking about where to get started. The big question, how do you invest in crypto? Now, I have a previous video if you want to go check it out before you jump into this. It's a beginning guide to crypto. What is crypto? So this is basically a follow-up video. How to invest in crypto and how to get started. Okay? So with that being said, if you are new here, my name is Crypto at the Dipto, and I go by the same name on all social medias, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, and I stay active as much as I can. I've been very sick recently. I'm pretty sure I have bronchitis. There's something going around. I just don't feel good. But with that being said, let's just jump straight into the video. So what I would recommend first is having money. Money's a great place to start if you want to invest. So it works this way. The app that I would recommend you downloading would be called Coinbase. Coinbase is a place where you can buy cryptocurrencies. Now, crypto and cryptocurrencies are the same thing. It's two different words. It's the same thing. Crypto is crypto. Cryptocurrency, it's the same thing. It's a cryptocurrency, crypto money, just another word, but it's the same thing. So once you download Coinbase, this is where you can buy cryptos. Now, before you buy the cryptos, I would recommend doing some research. The website that I use for everything is called coinmarketcap.com. There you can see the coins, and once you click on the coin, you can check out the websites, you can see how the coin is doing, and you can see the overall stats of how the coin is performing. And that's where you do your research. You try to find out the team, the CEO, and just overall how it's doing. That's basically a rule of thumb before you invest. Okay, so the next step you're going to want to do is link your debit card to Coinbase. Now, this is how you get the money onto Coinbase. It pulls it straight from your bank. So think about the same way that Zelle, Venmo, and Cash App works. You tie a debit card to it and you can use money. Also, that brings me to my next point. Cash App is a place where you can send money. For those of you that do not know, I have my own Cash App card. And as you could tell, I made this design. Once you go into Cash App, you can make a card, choose the color, and make your own design. You can buy stocks and you can buy crypto there. It is fairly easy. So if you already have a Cash App, I suggest starting there. Now, the problem that most people would probably have is that Coinbase is centralized. It's run by a central authority. Crypto is made to be decentralized. But this is for beginners, and it's a good way for you to get started. So once you have the app, you connect your debit card to it, and that is where you can pull your money from, and you can invest in the cryptos of your choice. Now, do not be scared, don't feel threatened. Crypto it's not easy in the beginning. You have to study, you have to look up words, but just like with anything in life, you have to put in the time and you have to put in the motivation. Also, I'm going to give you guys 2 books that you can read that can maybe help you jumpstart, your path. So Think and Grow Rich, obviously it's like a classic, it's by Napoleon Hill. Great book. Now, maybe if you're scared and you want to get into making crypto videos and you want to get started on YouTube, whatever the case is, you don't have to stop. Just because I like crypto doesn't mean I can't make videos about me playing Xbox or me, you know what I'm saying? There doesn't have to be a limit. Obviously, you have to find your groove and stick with it. But, if you want to make a YouTube channel, this is a phenomenal book to also check out. I have a lot of books, and if you click back, I have a video that tells you my 10 favorite books in no specific order. So this is just a quick update I wanted to give you guys on how to jump in and get your toes wet with investing in crypto. Download Coinbase if you'd like. I'm not a financial advisor. It is a centralized exchange, but it's fairly easy to use. Just how you would download Chase and your money's in there, it's kind of the same concept. Think of Coinbase as Chase. Your card is connected to it. So whatever you purchase gets pulled from your debit card. And you can also download Cash App and make yourself a crypto card. So now you can use your Cash App card around the world and you can buy things. I'm going to make a more advanced video and jump into this a little further. I just wanted to start my channel off with teaching people the basics before I jump into something a little bit more advanced, you know, so they can watch a certain amount of videos in a row and basically have a layout. If you're new here, my name is Crypto at the Dipto. I appreciate you watching my video and stumbling upon it. You can follow me on all the other social medias. I have Twitter, TikTok, Instagram. Instagram's a little bit more personal. If you'd like to follow me there, that's perfectly fine. And I will be back with another video. I'm sorry I look like hot garbage. I am sick. I hope I feel better. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day. Peace.